Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox the GlamEgo box for the month of March, and we will see what this month's box has, and I will review the box, and if you like the box you can go ahead and purchase yours. So now let's get started with unboxing. I'm not sure, I'm not having any clue apart from one clue what we have this month, because I normally do this way from the past couple of months and you guys like to see that way, so I am only sticking to that thing. I do not open unless I am shooting. So they come in this kind of box, very sturdy, very good packing, and they come in an additional box inside. Oh my god, I love the box this month. It says Girl Boss. Like, look at that holy colored, like it's all beautiful. Like, I would definitely store it in my shelf somewhere in my vanity or in my bedroom. Like, it's so beautiful. It has GlamEgo written here, and it has some color changes around, and I really like the effect going on. It's reminding me of the Holi, which was yesterday. So anyways, let's get started with the unboxing. So I see several items this month. It's loaded, or either we have some big items. So yes, I got it. So I saw monsters peel off black masks Instagram post where they showed that they are including this in the GlamEgo. So I was like, no, it can't be true, or maybe it's for lucky people only or few people only. They kind of change stuff also, so I thought maybe if I'm lucky I'll get it. But yeah, literally I have this in the box. So I think this is amazing. Full size GlamEgo charcoal peel off mask, and I love charcoal and anything related to masks which are peel off, which are mud, and they always are good, especially in summer, especially for oil and control like acne and pores. So this is worth 1000 rupees, so this is like a great product to have. Let me just open and show you the size actually, so you can see how much product we are getting. That the packaging is very convenient, and it has that opener on the bottom, and it is not sealed, so I'm not gonna open it because it says how to use it. The packaging is also very beautiful. It has like black, fuchsia, white all over. I like it. I'll definitely use it very soon and let you guys know how I feel about this in my Snapchat or Instagram. So next thing we have is this thing which was like above all, but I actually grabbed that mask because I was looking for the mask. So Bella Voste brow liner. So it is a brow spoolie and liner thing. So it comes in a very huge packaging. Like, literally see, it's so huge. Like the pencil is just this. Now let's see how soft it really is. I can't test the longevity part in this video, but let's see the other things. I really feel the color is almost my color. So really appreciate it. It is in the shade brunette brown. It really feels so soft, but I think I will need to blend it because it is very dark. Like, it is feeling like an eyeliner to me. Like, literally, can you see that? I'll show you the close-up, don't worry. But literally it's so soft and it glides like a dream. And I'm gonna brush it through my hair and just set them like the way I want them to be. And now taking the other side, like you can see that if I'm just not using a lot of pressure, it is applying the right way. And this product is actually amazing to refill also, because if you're in a hurry and you did just powder your brush, brows, then you might have some spaces left. Especially I have like issues here and on my starting part of my brows somewhere here, so I can just fix those areas with this pencil and I'm good to go. Like after my powder thing, I can also fix my length of the hair, brows. Like, literally it will create that long looking brows very easily. And straight, just upward strokes on my front part, and then smudging it with my spoolie. You don't have to forget that if you're using such products, especially because it might show strokes, especially on the hollow parts, and that is my front part. So I really like it's pigmented, but it is definitely a bit difficult for beginners, but if you use it, you can definitely use it the right way. So yeah, I really like this product. So next we have, oh my god, this month we are getting an extra nail paint because it's GlamEgo's birthday. Oh my god, I'm so glad you did that. And happy birthday GlamEgo. And I got really pretty nail paint, like just near to my nail paint I'm wearing. It's very pretty nude pink peach color, like literally I'm gonna wear it someday very soon in summers. And it has a beautiful packaging and hearts on the cap. Like, can't wait to try this on. This is in the shade 607 and this is worth rupees 149. And thank you GlamEgo for this cute little gift. And next we should jump into the next product. We have Aroma Magic Reviving Oxy Pack. It is worth rupees 90. Now I really liked the last month's, no, it was 2 months back, Aroma Magic face wash, which I really like. It takes away all my makeup and it's just under 100 rupees, and I really like it, especially on days when my skin is actually feeling dry and I want to take off the extra junk makeup and I don't want to feel any scrubby item on my face. So if I'm not willing to use any scrub, I use that face wash. Literally it is so amazing. And this Oxy pack, it helps to balance your skin pores and evens your skin tone. Quite excited to try this because it says good thing. So it is an overnight leave-on pack. So do we have to leave it for the whole night? No, it says on the back it is for 15 to 20 minutes twice a week. So it is free from parabens, harsh chemicals. This brand obviously doesn't have any of those. Now, oxygen molecules instantly detoxify clogged skin and energize it. I really need to declog my skin many times because I wear makeup, I do my makeup tutorials, I have to do makeup. So clogging is my major issue. So it also has witch hazel and white lotus, which are antioxidants and that stimulates the blood circulation, leaving your skin refreshed. Quite excited for this one. This is in the, I think, the deluxe size. So next item we have a spray. It is a Chronocare Pollution Stop Hair Spray. So last month we got a face spray that was anti-pollution, and this month we have a hair pollution spray. This is for all hair types. It is like an invisible shield against pollution nanoparticles that protects and nourishes and strengthens hair. So it is free from all kind of bad things, sulfates, minerals, parabens, fragments and silicone. And smells really refreshing. The diffuser is actually very good. Oh, it feels so refreshing on my hair, and it actually feels very good for summers, like literally. Now it does not do anything to my hair as far as my look is concerned. Like obviously if it's doing strengthening part, that I can't tell right away, but it's not weighing my hair down, rather it's making them look a bit more smooth to touch, nothing extra. And I really want to try it on my other side also. So just doing that, I just like to do few pumps on one side because I don't want to add a lot of product on my hair and weigh them down. I will be using it for a couple of, I also did hair straightening today, so it is not affecting that. So it is good to use over your hair straighteners, because obviously you can't use it below that, because if you use a heat protector and then you will go out, there will be no purpose, because it is already, it has already tackled that heat. So it's good. It's not dealing with or playing with my straightened hair. It's not changing that back to my shape. So quite good. Liked it. So guys, these were all the box products for the month of March from GlamEgo. This box is really impressive. I love the face packs. Both have very different kind of uses and kind of consistency. I really like the nail paint, and the brow product is also very interesting. I will literally use it very often in my future, and let you guys know if I can include it in my future tutorials. So guys, this month's box after calculation has more than 2000 worth of products, so I am really happy for this month. And if you guys like anything from this box and you want to grab, I think $2.99 or $3.99 whatever package you select is not a bad deal for the products you are getting. In the Mon Subs charcoal pack alone is for 1000 rupees. If you are getting that anytime later in after the March, you will be getting it for 1000 literally. So it's the right time to grab it if you are into the charcoal packs or masks. I really think this month's box is, I think it is gonna be one of the favorite boxes of all time of mine. So I'm really happy for this month, and thank you GlamEgo for this amazing box, and I will really suggest this box to you guys. And I really think this box is amazing for somebody who likes skincare, who likes nail paint, something makeup, like you're getting brow products, and hopefully like the video. And if you have any comments, suggestions, any criticism, obviously constructive criticism is always welcome. You can leave the comments below, I would really appreciate. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.